For some time now, this was lying on my table, and congratulations to you. Today, we're going to do another uncut video. Everything will go completely natural if our video is successful, which I don't think can remain uncut. Anyways, let's come back to our topic. This was lying on my table for more than a month, and I opened it today. I saw a variety of things like some Klotz type games of MoYu. We will take them out one by one. Hey, there are 5 in total, man. Today's video is going to be very next level, that's what I feel. So let's check them out one by one first, then we'll open this and see how it goes. Camera. Angle is right, everything looks fine. Maybe we should straighten the mat a bit. Yeah, nice, man, everything's good. Building blocks game. First we have this A building blocks game. Let's put it aside. Second, A Tetris advanced version. Today's video is going to be a lot of fun. Third, A Tetris Enlightenment. Oh, sorry, Enlightenment version. Man, why is this so difficult to pronounce? Fourth, we have A Klotski 2. I will unbox this one first because this is of Swift Blocks Clot or something like that. I had bought it once. Oh, it was not Swift Blocks, sorry, it was something else. I will put up the link in the description. A Car Klotski, I have this one as well, but a bigger version. Let's start with this one and not waste much time on the box. Let's unbox it quickly and try to be as minimalist. Oh man, who gives this much premium quality and a book which we will read later, obviously. My only concern is whether the batteries are pre-installed or not. The most fun part is the stand that we get with it, which makes it more premium. Why is it so premium? I swear I am getting Apple-like vibes from this. It feels like I am holding some Apple product. I have only one concern. Let's turn this on and see. If it turns on, that means it has batteries. If it doesn't, that means we'll have to install the batteries ourselves. And if we have to do that, then we'll have to cut this video no matter what. So, just a minute, let's open it and see how much trouble we'll have to go through. Open up. Oh, this is a lot. Please, man, there are 5 of these. If each one needs 2 cells, then we'll need 10 cells in total. I have no idea how they'll fit in here. Let's put them here for now and make some adjustments. Man, we should change this margin book, or do you guys think it's fine? Because I have a lot more props like this, related to Dragon Ball, obviously. Anyway. The only bad thing is that we'll have to put cells in all of these, and that's gonna take a lot of time. Well, we're already spending money, now we'll have to spend time too. That's why I only brought 2, so the work gets done quickly. You get what I'm saying, right? Let's close this quickly. I should buy some batteries for these. I'm still very confused about what we should do. And we'll hold down this button, now it should turn on. No, that's not the button to run it, this is the power button. We'll hold this down. It's turned on now, man. It's looking so clear, bro. And what was its name? Tetris. Klotski version 2. Oh, version 2. I hadn't noticed that before. Klotski version 2. This is going to be next level. I think the way it's showing the picture above, we should do everything like that. Like this one, we have to put it here. We'll create the scene like this. I have arranged everything just like that. Now, I think we have to take the red one to the top. When I unboxed it, it was on the top, so maybe that's what it means. And that's what I feel. Okay, we have to take it down. Our level is done. Level 2. No, let's take this to level 12. It's very easy, man. It was really easy. Level 1, I understood. And if you guys didn't get it, you'll fully understand in the next one. We'll arrange everything like this. And now everything is arranged. Now, this red one, we have to bring it here somehow. I put it on level 12. I skipped the middle levels because they were just too easy. And now this one looks like it's gonna be a bit difficult. I mean, yes. No, I didn't think level 12 would be this complicated, to be honest. But we have to do something, and somehow we have to bring it here. And what could be the way? I don't understand. And these blue ones, we have to do something based on them, I'm sure of that. Yeah, we saw it, and our level 12 is complete. So that was it. We gave a short review of it. We can mute it from here. Select the next and previous levels from here. What is this timer? There's always a timer. We'll check it out later. I told you guys the main things, the important stuff. I think we should move on to the next one, and I'm still confused about which one to do next. I feel like trying the Tetris Enlightenment version, because they released 3 like this before. I'm confused if it's the same or something different. I think let's put these 2 aside and check them at the end. Now it's time for this one. I've created a scene in my mind about the order in which I should unbox them, and if everything goes as planned, it's going to be next level. So, we have the next Klots. I'll call it Tetris. It's here, and with it, the manual. Again, we didn't read the previous one, and we won't read this one either. Here's a closer look at it. Let's open it from here. Man, it feels really premium. I don't know if you guys can feel it or not, but it's unnecessarily premium. But first, since we have to insert batteries in it, we should just close it for now. Closing this is a bit of work, man. I mean, I closed it in a hurry from here. And after inserting it inside and closing it properly, then it will be closed. Man, these stands have won my heart, just like Diljit Dosanjh. Let's open this quickly and find out what is in it for us. Obviously, we are short on batteries, so we'll put these 2 in. And close it, and we'll close this from here as well. The video can't remain uncut. I mean, we'll have to put cuts somewhere. I feel bad about it. In this kind of video, it's very easy to add cuts because there are so many chances to add them. Alright, let's put this aside. Ready, now let's start the game. We'll call this a game. It's excellent for kids. We'll choose a slightly higher level directly. Is this moving forward or is it the same pattern? Yeah, okay, that's fine. Whatever. First, we'll remove all these batteries and then we'll see what we have to do next. Alright, first we have to put this here. What do we have to do with this? Okay, we have to arrange the rest. Like this. Let this one stay here and the rest should fit properly. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm trying to say. It's not that difficult, and I don't say difficult things either. But this was very easy, and I think our level is complete. Next, what we have to do is simply click this from here. That's what I think, and this will give us a... Maybe we're on the next level. I don't know. I was just reading this, and then I found out. There are different difficulty levels here, and I'm especially interested in Hell Mode. From 400 to 800, there are 800 levels here, man. And I found out some things from here. Short press for a hint. The alarm we were hearing, we can turn the sound on or off somehow. Long press to enter challenge mode. Press any key to exit. You must have understood, and I've shown how to forward and skip levels, so I think. We will have to start this again, and let's see what happens. By the way, I have a lot of batteries. I have taken out 2 more. Man, is there any problem with this? What's the matter? It started working and it's fine. Ah, okay. If I just, you guys 7th, we've reached the 7th level. This is the 7th level, and in the 7th level, simply, we haven't inserted it here. Man, I want to go further ahead. Let's press and hold it for a little while. 0. What are we doing? I don't know, but we're doing something. Simply, we have to put this here, and now we can continue our game. If it's like this, what's so hard? I don't know, but levels 1 to 20 are easy, the easiest ones. Anyone can play, that's how it seems to me, but I don't think I can play right now, because now I'm feeling that it's not as easy as I thought it was, so maybe. I've understood this game, but this game isn't as easy as it seemed. And we can simply move back and forth from here. If we want to go to more levels ahead, can we do it from here? Okay, the top button is for forward. Man, this says 1, but it's a bit faded. And I think, okay, this is 10-0. We're on level 16 or 17. I don't know. You guys can see. You have to look very carefully. We've reached the 17th level, but I think the batteries that I inserted are a bit weak, due to which this isn't performing well enough. Because I have used these batteries previously, you must have seen I inserted open batteries. You have understood the basic formula. We can simply select the levels from here. And after that, by choosing any level wherever it tells us, we have to place it there and complete the rest of it. That's it. The game looks as simple as it is. I wish it was that simple to play, but it's not that simple. That's why I'm putting it aside for now. I don't want to trouble my head. Now I am moving to this game. Building blocks game. Hopefully this game won't be too hard, and this is going to be the last unboxing of today's video. We'll do the other two in another video. Obviously, we can't unbox so many things in one video. Should we read the manual? We'll decide later, but I think it also has that Tetris vibe. This one is a bit bigger and it's called block building, so let's quickly open it. Man, this is opening really smoothly. The others were a bit tight, but this one is definitely next level. Let's insert it from this side, insert it inside, and... Alright, and now, very soon, our own Tetris game is about to happen in front of us. Tetris sounds like Tetris to me. They have named it the block building game, the blocks building blocks. So let's turn this on, and meanwhile, let's open it from here. So, you have to hold it for 4 to 5 seconds. After that, the game turns on, and man, it's a bit difficult to take this out. Man, these actually feel very premium. I don't know why, but they give me a premium feel. See, you can see all of it clearly. We'll go directly to the 10th level and start building this block from here. And its entire shape and the way to put it together is different, and this will be a bit complicated too. If I clear this level, then I'm gonna call myself the champion of this game. To be honest, but what can we do? Alright then, we have to place them like this. Which is made here. I'm following the same method right now. Now I have to place all the rest. That's it. This is going to be the game. And simply you can tell, just by looking at it, it looks good to me. For now, maybe it won't turn out like this later, so we can adjust it up and down later. Maybe we can put this one here. It looks very easy. I think I should go with the time lapse. What do you guys suggest about this? No, right? If this is here, then we won't have any other option left. Time lapse, man, it's going to be a mess. I've proven myself as an expert in this game. We've finished the level, and now we can pick the next one easily. This is so easy. The previous game's task and even the cells weren't working, but we've shown how it works now, and I don't think we can do more than that in one video. We've covered 3 types of building blocks, Klots, Tetris, or whatever. We've unboxed them, and that's all 3. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share, and comment. In upcoming videos, we'll unbox 2 more puzzles like this. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, and share with 3 people.